Hey, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how I don't have to use guide poles anymore to back up my trailer, launch, or retrieve. I don't need guide poles anymore, so here's how I'm doing it. As you notice, I'm backing out of the space here. It's angled parking. It is a busy day in Oceanside Harbor, 4th of July weekend. And so I'm actually backing out the other way of the angled parking, but that's okay. I've got it turned a little bit. Yep, no more guide poles. And using all of my mirrors. And so the traffic's moving pretty slow, but it's still very busy. Oops, crossed the line a little bit, but that's okay. So making my way over to the docks to go retrieve my Sea-Doo. So on my approach to the docks, going slowly again, there's a lot of activity going on here. So I'm just kind of scoping out, seeing what's open, what's available. So I find me a spot. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull forward as far as I can to where the trailer almost straightens itself out, which is a good tip. So I'm going backwards here, very slow, just making those small steering wheel adjustments, micro adjustments. I'm going back, I'm straightened out, and I'm just taking it slow. Micro adjustments on the steering wheel. Don't turn too large to the left or to the right. You'll never make it to go launch or retrieve your Sea-Doo. So you can see the trailer's moving a little bit. Those are very small micro adjustments that I'm making. And just being cautious, going slow, taking my time, and I'm using my mirrors pretty much 100%, I'll say. I do have a backup camera, but I'm not using that. I'm using my mirrors and I'm looking for the wheels of the trailer because I can see those a little bit in my mirror as I'm going backwards. And if I don't see the wheels in my mirror on either side, that means the trailer's in the middle. So look, there's a lot of activity. Look at the Oceanside Outrigger group is there. They're to the left, to the right. They're out in the background. So just trying to stay focused on getting the trailer in the water. So I'm probably going to go right around to where I'm almost submerged by the wheels there. Probably... Well, you'll see it right about here. We'll get it set and ready to go. Okay, so in the background, you'll see me on the initial approach. And going slow. I'm at idle speed right here, just coming in, trying to align myself nice and straight. But let's just take a quick pause right there. As I get closer, I do put on the brake, but then when I get onto the trailer, you'll hear me just tap the throttle a little bit. Here it goes. Oh, and that just, hey, like a glove. And that just gets me right up on the trailer. Seems like a good fit. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. And next time, I'll see you on the water.